Hi guys, welcome back to Afro Sheri, where it's all about loving you naturally. I'm Lynn, or Sheri, you can call me both. So, in light of Hair Goals 2018, yeah, I did mention that we need to be taking care of our hair this year. Like, just have 1 or 2 goals about taking care of your hair. One of the things I mentioned is, for example, do regular deep conditionings. Okay, conditions, deep, okay, treatment, find a treatment regular, sawa. And I want to take you through the different kinds of treatments there are, just in case you're thinking it's the boring, run-of-the-mill kind of thing. Kuna different types, and I'm here to take you through them. Let's do it. So first of all, it's important to do deep treatments because that's when you give your hair some much needed moisture or much needed protein to infuse into your strands, yeah? Like for me especially, I have to do that, and then I have to either sit in the sun. In fact, I have a foil cap. I've mentioned it before. Nikona cap, imetengenezwa na foil. Like the foil that you use in the kitchen to marinate your things. That's what I use to marinate my hair. High key marination, guys. And I'll go and sit somewhere in the sun or in the house where the sun is hitting me directly so that it cooks. Because that heat helps the treatment in my hair. Because mine is low porosity. I've shared that with you. Please check out my previous video about that. Yeah. So different kinds of treatments you can do. First is, I would say the most regular one, the deep conditioning treatment. Yeah, and I have some here. So for example, I have this one by Beautiful Textures. It's really good, like it's yummy, and it's called Rapid Repair Deep Conditioner. And this is just an example. This one is a slap-on treatment. You just open the curtain when you're in the shower, you take your knee treatment and you lather on. Yeah, mine is pretty much running thin. I'll be replenishing it soon because I use it a lot, and it's really, really nice. So this one is mostly for moisture, yeah? And this is an international brand. I have a local brand here called Mosara, and this one kwanza is 300 bob. This one is 815 bob. When I bought it, that was like a year ago. So I don't know how much it is now, but it's probably roughly the same. This is Mosara and it's 300 bob. Really beautiful deep treatment mask. Again, easy, you just slap it on. Take it, slap it on to your nice washed, conditioned hair, and then you put on your shower cap or your foil cap like mine, and you chill and let it just cook in there for like 15-20 minutes, and then you rinse it out. And imagine that's all it takes, 15 to 20 minutes, and you get yourself really happy hair. I know people who put it on overnight, like literally wanalala nayo overnight, and that also works for them. For me, it just feels, I feel like my head is just wet. It feels weird. So I'd rather just sit around the house for like half an hour, just letting it cook in there. But imagine all it takes is 15 to 20 minutes. I think you have 15 to 20 minutes in your lifetime. So in your day, in your schedule, in your weekly or bi-weekly or fortnightly schedule to spare. Sindio, great. So another treatment that's so important is protein. I've mentioned this before. Moisture is good, but you have to balance with protein. Now with the deep conditioning, you probably do it once a week. You can do it once a week, or you can do it once in 2 weeks. Yeah. And try as much as possible not to go past that, but even once in 3 weeks should be good, but just keep it at 2 weeks. Protein treatment, on the other hand, you can do it monthly or even once in 3 months, depending on how protein sensitive your hair and your scalp is. And here is my favorite protein treatment. Hii ni Mayo, ile ya kitchen, in case you're wondering. It really is the one. It's the actual one. I love using this because it gives my hair that strength. Sorry, I was mixing the word strength and crunch. Strength that it needs. It does feel crunchy after, not because it's Mayo, but protein tends to do that sometimes. But you have to follow it with a DC. You have to follow it with a deep conditioning treatment. When I say DC, I mean deep conditioning treatment. This is so important for strengthening your hair. This is what makes it nice and strong. It feels hard after, and that's why you follow the DC, but that's good for your hair. That's what keeps it from breaking. That's what keeps it long, retaining length. It keeps it to grow longer. So I love this. And in fact, for me, because I like to have a bit of fun with my hair when I'm doing treatments, I mix this with honey, like real honey. Honey is more of a moisturizing treatment, but I mix it in just so my hair doesn't feel too crunchy afterwards. But it really works. It works amazingly, and it's cheap. So you just buy the cheapest Mayo in the supermarket, the one that won't expire too quickly. You can even keep it in the fridge. That's what I do. Yeah, you're welcome. Then the next treatment that you definitely should try is the hot oil treatment. This one is really simple because imagine it's just a mixture of oils. It's just a mixture of oils. You put in a nice applicator bottle like this one. This was actually a bottle of some product that I stripped of the label and started using as my applicator bottle. And so you can mix pretty much any oil. So you can mix castor oil, coconut oil, olive oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, rosemary essential oil, tea tree essential oil. Yani go out. So mix it up until it's a bit more sizable than this. Mine nimetumia. So a bit sizable. Take this bottle and put it in warm water. Well, mostly it's hot water actually. Put it in hot water so that it becomes hot oil. Once it's that hot enough as you like, you now come and smother it onto your, hey, did I just say smother? I made a word. Smother. You come and smother it all over your hair, all over your strands until it's soaked with nice oil. Then you put on a khaki paper bag. Actually, now you don't have paper bags because they were banned. But you know, you can even put cling film. Imagine you can put cling film. Put it around your head, sit with it for like 30 minutes, let that oil just ingia your hair, and then after that, go and wash it. So you put this one before washing. It's amazing what it does for your hair. Other people do what is called oil rinsing, which means they'll do almost the same thing, except they'll wash their hair, they'll treat it, then they'll put the oil in the wet hair as a treatment and keep it on, and then they rinse it out to, together with whatever other treatment they might have had on. And the benefits are beautiful. Your hair shines for days. The oil really seeps into your strands, so your strands are just happy and they just look glossy, and it's healthier hair. So, and this one is really easy because all you're doing is mixing the oils you have, basically. Just mix what you have, mix whatever you want, for whatever benefits you want, especially. Like tea tree would be really good for your itchy scalp. Rosemary is great for growing your hair. And the other oils, well, regular moisturizing and strengthening. So go after that. So you have that option. Finally, we have this treatment that my husband hates so much. It's called the Bentonite clay mask. Now, bentonite is actually made from an Indian healing clay. It's called bentonite, mchanga of a special kind called bentonite. Now, it's actually literally just mchanga dust. Mine is almost over. As you can see, it's mchanga, yeah? But what I do is you take some tablespoons, like maybe 1 or 2, and then you mix it with another like tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, ACV in short. Mix it to, actually what you do is you just pour that ACV on top and it starts to bubble. It starts to bubble in a chemistry class. It bubbles, and imagine that's normal because it's like it's oxidizing. So that effervescence is so cool because that's what brings out what you need from the treatment. Once it's done that's when you can mix it up now with a plastic spoon. Don't use metals. Don't use a metal spoon. Don't use a metal bowl. Don't use any metal thing with this. For some reason, there's a reaction it has that's not very positive. It doesn't haribu your utensils, but it basically haribus the mixture because chemistry. So just don't do it. You don't want it to mix with any metal. Use plastic, use wooden stuff only, all right? Then when you're done, put it on your hair. Let me tell you something, babes. That treatment is everything. Your curls will pop. Curl chasers, are you hearing me? Your curls will pop like nothing else. I don't know why, but it somehow strips your hair of all the gunk and the oils and whatever else it had that wasn't coming off. And it gives your hair this natural curl. It allows your hair to just be happy. Like in short, it just helps it to be happy. So this stuff, you can get it mostly from like the online hair shops and whatnot. If I find some, I'm definitely sharing. So you know me, I'm all about you guys. I'm gonna share them on. Apple cider vinegar, you can get it in supermarkets. You can get it at, Healthy You kind of stores. And yeah, and you can use it on your face. This thing is so good for toning your face. It smells crap, that's why my husband hates it, but it's so good. Personally, even the smell makes me happy because I'm just thinking about what it's doing to me. It's awesome. So you guys, there you have it. You have so many options for treatments. So this year's the only why you shouldn't be, taking care of your hair best you can. And these are just a few of the treatments there are. You can definitely try many other things out there because there's quite a lot of stuff, yeah? But mimi nimekujenga na zangu because that's what I use. And I'll keep doing that with more other tips on other areas of taking care of your hair. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope nimewajenga sana. I hope you've benefited from this. And if you have, please share with that friend who needs a bentonite clay treatment, that friend who needs protein treatment. Just share with them. Just be that friend, please. Share, like, subscribe to my channel. I have some more stuff for you coming up. And thanks again. I'm Lynn, and this is Afro Sheri, where it's all about loving you naturally. See you guys next time.